What are some of the special requirements for buildings under construction or renovation to reduce fire hazard? NFPA 241, the standard for safeguarding construction, alteration, and demolition operations, provides specific requirements for fire and hazard mitigation for structures under construction or renovation. The standard provides guidance on electrical wiring being used on the job. Wiring, extension cords, and electric equipment used in the construction process must be installed and used in accordance with NFPA 70, the National Electrical Code. Lighting is specifically addressed. Since much of the lighting is of a temporary nature, special attention must be paid that it is properly secure and adequate clearances to combustibles are provided. High-intensity quartz lighting is often used on construction sites, so this is an important provision. Temporary heating equipment should be in good condition. If electric, have tip-over automatic shut-off and overheat cutoffs. Heating equipment with exposed heating elements should not be used. Thanks for watching Underwriter's Corner, brought to you by MSO. Please like and share this video to help our channel grow. Subscribe to our channel for more informative content for insurance professionals like you.